host this afternoon, and yes, this is the start of the celebration, and officially we are going to enjoy the rest of the hour. I know you are all excited, and I am feeling that you have all the energy to share. How about we start the celebration with the biggest round of applause? Marinig naman po ng isang malakas at masayang palakpakan! Come on, everybody! There you have it. Thank you so much. And with that, this set of very important people in the lives of our couple, and I am speaking or talking about the parents of our couple. I know you're all excited to see our couple, but before that, let us all welcome, of course, the members of the entourage. And first on the list are the proud parents. So para po sa ating mga bisita, I just have a little assignment for you. Ibibigay niyo po ang pinakamasaya at pinakamalakas na palakpakan as they join us here in front. And let's all welcome the proudest parents of the groom. Let's all welcome Mr. and Mrs. Ranilo and Lolita Benamir. Come on, Evan, sir. Good afternoon and welcome. And also we have the proudest parents of the bride. Let's give it up for Mr. and Mrs. Reynaldo and Lorena Quintas. Welcome everybody, do me another favor. Isa mo pong malakas na palakpakan for the proud parents of our couple. And not only the parents we got this afternoon, of course, let me just also acknowledge the presence of our principal sponsors, our ninongs and ninangs, and of course, the couple's second parent, right? Starting today, moving forward. Everybody, brace yourselves because I have a long list here. But of course, gusto po namin makita ninongs and ninangs, how handsome and beautiful you are. This afternoon, ang tatawagin kong pangalan ay tatayo at bibigyan ang ating mga bisita ng isang maganda at malaking kaway at bibigyan po namin kayo ng masaya at matunog na palakpakan. And let's start with the rest of our principal sponsors. We got, of course, Engineer Jonathan Caran and Mrs. Sherilyn Hernandez.